Have you ever feel when you are filling up the input type in the mobile application and then suddenly the button of continue is hidden by the keyboard and you might feel confused where the heck that button was going on, and you have to hide that keyboard first and then you press the continue. So it takes two time, hide the keyboard and press the button continue. And I think this is really confused for the user experience design. So in this case, we're gonna fix that. We're gonna try to showing up the button of continue when we type the input type. So the button of continue, it would not be hidden with the keyboard. So we could easily to press that continue to the next pages or next activity. Okay everyone, with the spirit of learning, my name is Angga. Now we're gonna learn how to design and code, and as usually you have to download those assets in the video's description. So then after that we are able to learn together right away. Okay everyone, with the spirit of learning, let's get started. Okay everyone, with the spirit of learning, this is my desktop and thank you very much for coming back. And I've been designing two pages screen that right here, as you can see, is quite nice because of this illustration, right? If there's no illustration, it just feel, kinda boring. So I think that if we are using this illustration, it's quite nice look, right? And this is about the user experience. So as a developer and designer, if you click this email address, the button invite now or even the email address would be hidden by the keyboard, right? So how do we fix that in the Android Studio tutorial with some animation on it? Alright, so yeah, in this case I'm not allowed to give you the assets like illustration, because I just bought it from internet from Ghani Pradita. He's from Yogyakarta in Indonesia. And if you see over here, there's a lot of this illustration that we could use. Just characters and everything is ready to use. Wow, amazing, right? And this is the example that he did in the mobile website, and website. Yeah, cool, right? So right now our mission to learn how do we fix this kind of problem like this. Okay, so alright, let's get started. And I'm going to copy this illustration. Yeah, because I bought it, I'm not allowed to give to you guys, I'm so sorry. And we're heading to the Android Studio. So first of all, I have to remove this action bar, no action bar. Okay, and then we're heading to the drawable. And okay, cool. And after that, the thing that I just want to do, so first of all is the image view. We are using the image view, so just use the match parent. And for height, I think that it has to be a 360 dp. Oh no, we're heading to style here. This is supposed to be no action bar, right? But why there's still action bar over here? Wow, wait, let me change to the 5.2. And this is supposed to be a 300. Okay, and then after that give the source, which is icon invite. Okay, like this. And the scale type has to be a center crop. Okay, looks amazing. But the thing that you must to understand why we already give the no action bar here, right? But why there's still action bar? Oh, okay, it's gone. Cool. And for the status bar, I prefer like to use this a primary color, which is this a pink color. The first color we copy, and then we are going back to Android. So we're heading to the colors, and over here just like this, and the color would be changed to the pink, but I think it's not really relevant, so I have to change it to another color. And first of all, for the background I will go with FFF. Okay, and then in this Adobe XD I got one color. Oops, there's the email address here. Okay, so you have to take this border color. Going back, and then over here. Yeah, cool. Purple is nice, right? And as you can see, we already setting this. We already set up this image view, and we have to give the coordinates from the constraint layout. So it has to be a 0, and then 0, and then 0. Okay, looks amazing, right? So if we go back to the design, there's the text view and edit text. Okay, so let's go with the text view first. So over here, just want to go text view, and this is supposed to be wrap content, and then wrap content, and the text size 24 sp, and the text color, let's copy from here, copy, and we go this. Okay, and then for the text itself, invite your friend. Okay, cool. So we have to move here, and then we have to give the margin, and then move here, and then move here. Okay, looks amazing. So we have to give the IDs. This is title invite. Well, the reason why I have to give the ID because I wanna customize this font style with another font type, like Montserrat. And this one we just need to duplicate from this text view. Okay. Oh, sorry. Okay, so I just want to duplicate them. Copy and paste. So as you can see over here, we were duplicating the text view. So I have been modified layout width 200, and then this is for the text size, has to be smaller, 16, and the hex code of the text color has to be different. This is B1, B1, and B1. Okay, and don't forget to change the text alignment to the center, right? And give the ID, which is subtitle invite. Okay, so the next one we have to make edit text like this, and then this is supposed to be a match parent, and for height just go with 50 dp. Okay, and then as for now we just want to give the background the color primary graph just for the example, and we move over here and move here. Oops, we have to zoom out and give the margin right and margin left. Okay, sorry, I think we could just give this one. Okay, cool. Okay, so for the margin left, if you see here, it's about 45. So this is 45, and this is 45. Okay, cool. Alright, so this is for the edit text for the email address, but I think that we have to increase again, rather than 45, just go with a 60. Okay, looks nice. So we just want to go to drawable to customize the background. So background input email. Okay, and we're heading to the text and replace the selector with a set. And then for the solid color for the background color, we'll see in the Adobe Xd. Let me open, and this one, yeah. So this is for the background color. Okay, and then for the stroke, which is border, 1 dp, and the color has to be this one. Okay, and then the last one is sorry, the last one is the corners. Okay, so the radius have to be 8 dp, like this. Okay, amazing. So we just want to replace this edit text, so I will have to give the ID first, which is input invite. Okay, and in the background you have to replace them with the background input email. Okay, looks amazing. And after that I have to testing for the text itself, maybe Angga at youtube.com. Okay, so we have to give a padding left, which is 15 dp. Okay, cool. And then give the text size, which is maybe 16 sp. No, 22. Too big, just go with a 20. Okay, and then text color from the color primary tab. Okay, so if you see in the design like this, right? And then what we're gonna do is to give the text hint, sorry, give the hint, which is email address. Okay, and then text color hint has to be same color primary tab. So in this case I just want to remove text. Okay, so just let it with the email address, right? And I think that for the text one has to be smaller, just go with 18, I think. Yeah, okay, so right now we have to go to a Java to register all of them, to customize the font type, and then to give the animation, right? So you have to register first, which is a text view, and then this is a title invite. Okay, and after that you have to give a title invite and text view, and find RID title invite. Okay, and after that you are able uh, to change the title invite and set typeface, the name of typeface. Maybe here supposed to be M. Let's see in the this one supposed to be medium. Okay, M medium. Okay, but in this case we don't have yet the font style, so we have to copy them. So over here I'm going to copy those fonts to my project, which is sorry, invite UI animation, this one. Okay, and go to app and src, and then main, and here you have to provide one folder called assets, and then this is for fonts. Okay, so we put all of those over there, and you might see there's another new folder which is M medium, right? So over here we have to provide the another, which is typeface. Okay, like this, and then maybe this is a M medium. Okay, just like this, typeface M medium, typeface create from asset. We heading to the fonts and medium. Okay, so after that we're gonna check in the emulator. So this is our current design and it looks nice. So if we click here, you see the email would be hidden by the keyboard because the content and the wrapper is not enough to contain those components. Besides, we don't have the button of invite now yet, so we have to provide them, So how do we fix this? It's pretty easy. So first of all, we have to go to here, and then we have to provide another element that we call a button. Okay, so for the button itself, just go with the match parent, and this is should be same like 50 dp. Okay, actually you are able to copy from over here, but I just want to copy this one. Copy and then paste. Okay, and then we just want to copy background. Okay, so I'm going to move it to the here. Okay, and give the margin right and left. So this is supposed to be same, like 60 dp, and this is 60 dp. And for the margin top, just go with a 20. All right, and then we just want to give text here. So the text invite now. Okay, and then after that we use all caps false. Okay, and then text size just go with 20 sp. Okay, and the text colors supposed to be white color. Okay, and if we see in the design, the button has a gradient color, so I think that we could go with a drawable. So we'll go back to the background input. Okay, sorry, not yet. Not yet. So we have to go to drawable and then a background button invite. Okay, and we're heading to the text here and start from the scratch. And this is supposed to be a gradient, so the start color we have to copy from here, this one, and the end color we have to copy from here. Okay, and then give the angel to the 270. Okay, and give the corner a radius 8 dp like this. Okay, amazing. So we just need to replace here background button invite. Okay, cool. So in this case we have to give the ID here. Where is the ID? Android ID. Okay, button invite. Okay, so we have to register here like the previously that we did, but button invite. Okay, like this. So previously we have registered the button invite, and don't forget to setting here for the set typeface. Okay, set typeface, and then we give the input invite, which is the ID text. You see here, this the ID input invite to give the set on click listener, and then we have to animate all of them: title, subtitle, input, and button invite. We give back the alpha to the 1, so this is 0 previously, right? So if we see here, just click here, and then after that I just want to click here and it's working, right? And I think that I just want to make it smoothly, like maybe this is supposed to be delay like this. So we put the delay here. So let's see. Wow, perfect. But right now the thing that we have to fix is the image, right? So how do we make this image to be disappear, right? So in the RES we have to give new Android resource, which is animation. And inside of animation, we have to provide disappear. Okay. Alright. So the first one is we have to give a scale, maybe from x 1.0 and then y 1.0. Already provide for you, so you just need to follow them. And this is for the disappear. Oh, I forgot R. It's okay. And then we're going to the main activity to register the animation. Okay, animation and disappear. Is it disappear? Okay, cool. And then over here, the next after typeface, disappear, animation details, and then load animation. These are disappear. Okay, and then we have to run this animation here. So this is from the image view. We don't have yet the ID, so this is the ID for the illustration. So we have to register here EV like this, and then we just want to copy from here. This is for image view, and this is image view. Okay, and this is image view start animation disappear. Okay, now we're going to testing here. We click here, and wow, it disappear, but suddenly it comes again. So how do we fix this? So here supposed to be image view, sorry, set visibility gone. Okay, so if I click here, and suddenly the image is clearly gone, but the problem is this text view, we have to modify again this translation. Okay guys, so sorry, I have to pause the video because I was looking for how do we fix that. It doesn't working, but right now it's working. So in the disappear, you have to put translate like this. Okay, and then you're going back to the main activity and following up this source code. Okay, and this is the best ever result that we could do as for now. Okay, so we click here, and then okay, your email address supposed to be here and invite. Okay, so if you want to make another page which is after invite, after writing the email address like this, you might have to provide another activity, of course, right? So right now it's solved, right? Cool. And invite, amazing, right? So it doesn't make the user confused where the heck the button continue is. Right? So okay, hopefully it was useful for you. Okay everyone, with the spirit of learning, I hope that was useful for you, and please let me know if you are still confused about this video tutorial. Well, if you found this video was useful for you, please hit that subscribe button and share this video tutorial with your friends. Alright everyone, with the spirit of learning, I'll see you in the next video.